Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rose, and today we will talk about fruits. Let's spell fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. The first fruit that we will talk about is apple. Let's spell apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Do you like to eat apple? Yes, I do. I like apple. No, I don't. I don't like apple. What is the color of the apple? The apple is red. Let's go to banana. Let's spell banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Do you like to eat banana? Yes, I do. I like banana. No, I don't. I don't like banana. What is the color of the banana? The banana is yellow. Let's go to papaya. Let's spell papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Do you like to eat papaya? Yes, I do. I like papaya. No, I don't. I don't like papaya. What is the color of the papaya? The papaya is orange. Let's go to mango. Let's spell mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Do you like to eat mango? Yes, I do. I like mango. No, I don't. I don't like mango. What is the color of the mango? The mango is yellow. Let's go to durian. Let's spell durian. D-U-R-I-A-N, durian. Do you like to eat durian? Yes, I do. I like durian. No, I don't. I don't like durian. What is the color of the durian? The durian is green. Let's go to orange. Let's spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Do you like to eat orange? Yes, I do. I like orange. No, I don't. I don't like orange. What is the color of the orange? Okay, the color of the fruit orange is orange. Let's go to watermelon. Let's spell watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Do you like to eat watermelon? Yes, I do. I like watermelon. No, I don't. I don't like watermelon. What is the color of the watermelon? The color of the watermelon is green. Let's go to grapes. Let's spell grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Do you like to eat grapes? Yes, I do. I like grapes. No, I don't. I don't like grapes. What is the color of the grapes? The grapes is purple. Let's go to strawberry. Let's spell strawberry. 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 Do you like to eat strawberry? Yes, I do. I like strawberry. No, I don't. I don't like strawberry. What is the color of the strawberry? The strawberry is red. Let's go to cherry. Let's spell cherry. 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 Do you like to eat cherry? Yes, I do. I like cherry. No, I don't. I don't like cherry. What is the color of the cherry? The cherry is red. Let's go to avocado. Let's spell avocado. 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 Do you like to eat avocado? Yes, I do. I like avocado. No, I don't. I don't like avocado. What is the color of the avocado? The avocado is green. Let's go to coconut. Let's spell coconut. 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 Do you like to eat coconut? Yes, I do. I like coconut. No, I don't. I don't like coconut. What is the color of the coconut? The coconut is green. I hope you enjoy our lesson today about fruits. Thank you for listening to Teacher Rose. See you next time. Bye.